is up, guys? Today we're doing something a little bit different than what I've normally been posting. I'm excited to introduce this to my channel, but I have my GoPro set up finally. So let's do a little bit of a POV drive. As you guys know, this is my 98 Mustang GT SN95, 4.6, 2-valve, 5-speed, bone stock besides cold air intake, and then catless, X-pipe, and some mufflers. So it's just basically exhaust and intake. No tune, no PI heads, nothing like that. Not even a throttle body or nothing. Those are soon to be upgraded, but as of right now, they are stock. But it still sounds good, and for maybe 200 something horsepower, it rips pretty good. So yeah, let's get into it. Officer, fellas, we're good. A million cops. Oh yeah. Watch this. Oh yeah. Second to first. Ah, no bueno. Possible V6, not possible. We have a V6 charger with a wrap. Digital camera wrap is a necessity apparently. I'm trying to make good content. I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to do better. So any criticism you got, good, bad, neutral, whatever, comment, subscribe, and I will get better. And the car will get better. So stick around for that too. Appreciate you watching this long. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.